Okay, so Google just dropped some updates to AI Studio, and I'm not kidding when I say this, it's wild, like actually wild. I've been testing AI tools every single day for years now, and this one made me stop and go, wait, what? Because here's the thing, Google AI Studio used to be cool. It was good. You could build stuff with it. But now, it's a whole different beast. It's like they took everything that was slow and annoying about building with AI and just deleted it. And I'm going to show you exactly what's new, why it matters, and how you can use it today to save hours of your life. Stick with me because the third update, that one broke my brain. Let's get into it. So the first big update is something Google is calling Tab, Tab, Tab. Weird name, I know, but stay with me. What it does is simple. As you start typing a prompt in AI Studio, the AI predicts what you're going to type next, like autocomplete, way smarter. You know how your phone tries to guess the next word? This is like that, but for your whole workflow. So you start typing build me a landing page for, and before you finish, the AI is already suggesting the next step, the next prompt, the next action, the next feature. It's reading your mind, kinda. And think about what this actually means. Before, you had to know what to ask. You had to know the right words, the right order, the right prompt. That was the hard part. That's where most people gave up. They'd open AI Studio, stare at the blank box, and close it. Now, the AI does the thinking for you. You just tap, 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 and it builds out the whole thing. I tested this yesterday, and I went from idea to a working prompt in like 15 seconds. Update number 2 is for anyone who builds apps, websites, or tools, and this one is huge. Google added live design previews while your code is still compiling. Let me say that again. While the code is still being written, you can already see what your app looks like. You type, make me a dashboard with 3 charts and a sidebar, and boom, you see it instantly. Not after 5 minutes, not after you fix 10 errors, right now, in real time. And if you like it, you click one button, and the design is applied, done. This is basically Figma, Cursor, and Copilot all smashed into one tool. Do you know how long it used to take to build a simple app design? Hours, days. Now it takes one prompt. But here's what I love about it. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need to know color theory. You don't need to know code. You just describe what you want and it shows you. If you don't like it, you change the words. Try again in seconds. This is the future of building. And honestly, it's already here. Update number 3. This is the one that made me actually say, no way, out loud. It's called Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS. TS means text to speech. So you type something and the AI reads it out loud. Sounds simple, right? It's not simple. It's insane. It's why. This new voice model doesn't just read your text in a boring robot voice, it performs it. Like a real voice actor. You can control the tone, pacing, the emotion, the style, with simple tags you put inside your text. So you can write excited in brackets and the voice gets excited. You write whisper in brackets and it whispers. You write angry and it sounds angry. You're basically directing voice actors with text. And it works in over 70 languages. 70. And it supports multi-speaker dialogue. So you can have 2 voices talking to each other. Full conversation from just text. Think about what this means for a second. You could make full podcasts without recording anything. YouTube video without using your voice. Audiobook in any language. An AI agent that talks to customers and sounds real. Service for your content with 0 equipment. And this stuff used to take heavy editing software and hours of work. Now it takes one prompt. I tested it myself, put in a script, added a few emotion tags. What came out sounded like a real human. Not a robot, not cheesy, real. The team couldn't tell the difference. Google even added something called Synthid. It's a hidden watermark on every audio file, so you can tell if something was AI made. It's actually really smart. Keeps things safe and legit. Here's the big picture, and this is what most people are going to miss. These 3 updates aren't just cool features. They're a signal. Google is telling us something. They're saying the way we build with AI is changing. Forever. Before you wrote prompts, the AI writes them with you. Before you designed apps, how the AI designs them for you. Before you recorded voice, how the AI performs it. See the pattern? We're not prompting anymore. We're directing. The creative director. The AI is the whole team. We give the vision. It does the work. And this is going to change everything. If you're a content creator, a founder, an agency owner, a freelancer, this matters. Because the people who learn these tools first, they're going to move 10 times faster than everyone else. Kidding. Imagine this. You have an idea for an app, Monday. By Tuesday, you have a working version. Design, code, voice, everything, built with AI Studio. In one day. That used to take months. Whole team, it takes one person and a laptop. And that's what I mean when I say these updates are wild. It's not just about the tools. It's about what they unlock for normal people like us. People with ideas. People who want to build. People who want to create stuff. So how do you actually use this? Here's what I do. Step 1. Go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account. Takes 2 minutes. Step 2. Try tab, tab, tab first. Just start typing a prompt. See what it suggests. Get used to the flow. This is how you'll build everything going forward. Step 3. It's the design preview. Let's get to build something simple. A landing page, form, a dashboard, see how fast it goes. Step 4, try Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS. a short script, some emotion tags, listen to what comes out. You'll be shocked. That's it. That's the whole process. An hour of playing around and you'll already be ahead of 95% of people. And here's my real take on this. I've been in this AI space for a while now. I've seen tools come and go. I've seen the hype, the crashes, new models every week. It's a lot. These updates feel different. They feel like a real shift, not a gimmick, a demo. Real, usable, game-changing shift in how we create stuff. And the people who are going to win in the next few years, they're not the ones with the most skills. They're the ones who learn to direct AI the fastest. Period. So don't sleep on this. Don't scroll past it. Don't say, I'll check it out later. Open AI Studio today. Play with it. Get your hands dirty. Even if you mess up. Even if nothing works at first. Just start. Because the gap between people using AI and people not using AI is getting bigger every single day. And you want to be on the right side of that. Let me give you a few real ways people are already using these updates. This is what's working right now. 1. Content creators are using Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS to make full YouTube videos without showing their face or using their voice. Write a script. The emotion tags. Boom. Done. 2. Agency owners are using AI Studio's design previews to build landing pages for clients in minutes. Not hours. Days. Minutes. 3. Founders are using Tab to build full app prototypes over a weekend, stuff that used to take a dev team a month. 4. Teachers and course creators are using the multi-speaker feature to turn their lessons into audio content in any language. 5. Solo creators are building AI voice agents that can actually talk to customers and sound human. That's wild. See what I mean? Stuff is already changing how people work. And we're still in the early days. Until people really start building with this, it's going to get crazy. More thing before we wrap up. A lot of people ask me, Julian, which AI tools should I actually focus on? My answer is always the same. Pick a few. Go deep. Don't try to learn everything at once. Right now, Google AI Studio should be at the top of your list, especially after these updates, because it's no longer just one tool. It's a full creation system. Prompting, designing, building, voice, all in one place. That's rare. It's powerful. That's where you want to spend your time. Before you go, 2 quick things that will help you go even further. First, if you want to learn how to actually use tools like Google AI Studio to automate your business, get more customers, and save hours every week, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where Julian shares every single AI workflow and system he uses to run the agency. Real systems, real results, real people. Link is in the description. Come hang out with us. Second, if you want the full process, the SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases just like the ones I shared today, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free community. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get all the notes from this video, plus access to over 38,000 members who are using AI to crush it in their businesses every day. It's honestly the best free AI community on the internet right now. Come jump in. Remember, we're not prompting anymore. We're directing AI. Welcome to the new way. See you in the next one.